Greetings, 𝐬𝐻𝐶 family members. Greetings. How are you? How are we? I'm enjoying the new year. Today is the 1st of January 2025. Habits, that we left in 2024 are not lingering behind me. And I've just decided to do a reflection on the past 7 days, the journey that we were on to deal with habits that should have remained in 2024, but also to share a little bit of that experience. How has it been for me? Because I'd never done it. I'd never posted videos every day, for 7 days. I'd never been able to do it. I just had a gut feel to do it. But primary, in case I will talk too much and I may forget, if you are 40 years and above, if you are 30 years and above, whatever age you are, start a YouTube channel. Dearly beloved, you can do it. Let me tell you, you can do it. You just need that's this push that I'm giving you for you to be able to do it. I learned a few things. Obviously, I've learned a few things, and I've been at it since October 2023. But in the past month of December particularly, even a bit of November, if you want to be a creator, content creator, you have to work with yourself, your total person. And however your gut feel, that's what you have to do. You have to listen to yourself and do as you are being instructed from inside, to draw from the intrinsic inspirations from within you. As an artist, this is how you should do it and be creative. And over and above that, I also was taught, I've been mentored. I have 2 young men that have walked this journey with me from since we started. Shout out to you, Algie. Shout out to you, Nyasha. You are my man. You are my man. Thank you so much. I also want to shout out to 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐶 Mtima, Josh Mtima's wife. She's been with me. She's my mentor. I always say she's my mentor. She's come alongside me. She's taught me a few tricks, of how to navigate life online. So what am I saying? Don't worry about how old you are. I'm not tech savvy myself. None of my education taught me to use a computer right up to a master's degree. I was just typing, assignments and things like that, but never engaging with, internet in the way that I am now. But you can learn. You can learn, dearly beloved. Whatever you need to achieve, you want to achieve in 2025, you have to be willing to learn. You have to be open to be taught, to be mentored, to be discipled, whatever word, suits you. You need people to teach you. And YouTube itself has made it easy for us to grow. I can tell you, I'm experiencing it. Yesterday, I received a note to say, now you have over 500 subscribers on your channel. And they told me that, look at the analytics, look at which people are watching your channel. Look at, the times that they are watching your videos. And I'm like, duh, they have picked me up. Guys, YouTube has made it easy for us. Come on, guys. Doesn't matter how old you are. If you have some experiences that you want to share with people, life journeys that you feel compelled to share with people, life lessons you feel engaged to share with people, please, let's go ahead and do that. Start a YouTube channel, particularly for our age, so that we share ideas, so that the younger people have some reference points to life from us. And what a place to be able to share all that with our young ones when they watch all other YouTubers of their choices. So what am I saying, guys? I'm encouraging you. I've learned that YouTube is on my side. I've learned that the algorithm, whatever the deeper scientific explanations it is for, it has picked me. For how could they have told me that you have now over 500 subscribers? They picked me up. They are making it easy for me to interact, with YouTube itself, with the platform. So, ladies and gentlemen, today, my word of encouragement, after my 7-day experience, they will pick you up, they will help you. People, human beings in your life, they will help you with these things. So, don't be afraid to start. In 2025, I'm hoping I will have some YouTube disciples. I'm hoping I'll have some mentors, people that will say, please teach me how to do it. And I will be able to walk with you in the way that I have been walked with by my mentors. And I will be, I'm planning to do an online course for those that are serious. And let's do these things, guys. I'm even planning to have a live session with you on YouTube. You know, I will link it to my Facebook channel. I'll probably link it to my Instagram. Can you hear that? I'm 59 years old. I have a Facebook page. I'm on Instagram. I'm not yet on TikTok, but who knows? Maybe by the end of this year, I'll be on TikTok as well. All I'm saying, dearly beloved, is it doesn't matter how old you are. Don't worry about the fact that, you know, you are not tech savvy. We have enough resources around us. And there's a big cake in YouTube for us to share. That's why I'm telling you, my little journey experience, I'm not yet monetized, but I'm encouraging you. I can see a new day dawning for me in my life. If you're interested, if you grew up, particularly if you grew up, you know, being told that you're talkative, you are my person. You are my sister, you are my brother. This is a place where we can talk on our own. And I'm talking to Kitchen Sink family members, some in Zimbabwe, some in the States, some in UK, some in Australia, some in Kenya, and some in everywhere, you know, under the sun. And I'm engaging with them, and I'm laughing, and I'm enjoying this. We can do this. Let's go, Kitchen Sink family members. Let us begin to reproduce of ourselves. And if you seriously want to do this, I'm willing to work with a few of us, you know, starting with, and we will be able to start a journey together. But before we do it, I'm putting together, you know, something. I'm putting together a package, something special for you, and we'll be able to do it so that many of us will be able to do this. Let's not allow, you know, others to go ahead of us, and then we only complain that the internet is not bad. No, it's not bad. If we bring, you know, content that is uplifting, content that is, you know, transformative, content that is progressive, people would learn from us. But how do they learn from us if you're not here? How do they learn from us if you're not doing it? And I'm doing it. I'm looking forward to many of us joining. Kitchen Sink family members, let's go. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go, young and old. Let's go. Let's start YouTube channels in 2025. Thank you so much. Talk to you later.